Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 Bluetooth headphones not connecting to PC. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooter. Click Run under Bluetooth. Second method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Bluetooth Support Service. Change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK. Third method is click Start, Settings. Click Network and Internet, turn off airplane mode. Fourth method is click Start, Settings. Click Bluetooth and Devices. Turn off and turn on Bluetooth. Fifth method is click Start, Settings. Click Bluetooth and Devices, click Remove Device. Click Add Device, click Bluetooth. Sixth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Bluetooth. Right-click Connected Device, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.